Okay guys, here's EMU 51 and EMU 41. Nice. I really miss these trains so much and I really want them to return. There's the driver's cab. Translink 2026 Uploads was here the other day and he managed to film this beauty. Yep, there's lock sticker. Okay. I really miss these trains so much and I really want them to return, but I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon. Here's what it looks like from underneath. Can't really squeeze my phone in properly to, yeah, so I hope I got it. You know what? Yeah, I'm also going to go down the end just to risk my life and hopefully I don't get killed by the end of this video. EMU 51. Now this time I can actually get my phone to go underneath there. Yep, now I'm risking my life. As I said, I really hope I don't die at the end of this video. Yep, just sad graffiti. Driver's cab. Beautiful. Sad. I really want this train to come back, but unfortunately it can't. Okay, here's EMU 41. Okay. RIP 41, 1984 to 2025. This is just sad. Seeing one of my favourite trains like this. Doors don't open. That is falling off, surprisingly. There's the inside of one. I think that's the closest that we're gonna get to actually feel an EMU. But this is just sad. Just really sad. Just want them to come back. Okay, here's the final end of this beauty. Yeah, that's not a nice word, that one. Yeah, we're not going to say that. Really don't like that, to use that word. Okay, here's what it looks like inside this EMU. You know, okay. Okay, well, there. Here's what it looks like. sad. Just want the emus to come back. Okay, but here's a window. Can't get it open. Well, luckily I did not get killed today. Because last time a train enthusiast was here, there was some graffiti vandal just right there about to graffiti, and then train enthusiast saw it, and then the vandal had a knife. And the train enthusiast ran away, and he almost died. Luckily there was no vandal here today. But this is just really sad. Yeah, it's probably a good idea to start heading off now, because I really do not want to get in trouble by security or QR staff. Here's the EMU. Driver's cab. Okay. Sad times, people. Can't probably see out that window very well. Yeah. Well, anyway, I'm going to end the vlog here, so be sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss any more videos. I'll see you all in the next one.